Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add McDonald's gift card to app. Alright, let's begin. So, the very first thing you need to do is open up your McDonald's app. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just tap on the Order tab at the bottom. From here, go ahead and select your order. For this example, I'm just going to select an order. Then, you can select your quantity. Once you do that, you can add it to the bag. Once you do that, head over to your bag to check out. If you want to add more orders, you can do that. Then tap on Review and Pay if you are all set. Once you tap on Review and Pay, you can choose how you want to pick up your order. You can choose curbside, table service, counter, or drive-through. Once you do that, you can go ahead and tap on it. Once you select your pickup option, just tap on Order. Now, you will have to choose your payment method. Once you get to this page, you will need to add either your credit or debit card, or PayPal. If you tap on New Credit or Debit Card, you will need to enter all of your card details. If you have any gift cards, you can add the card details of your gift card. You will then be able to use that gift card on the app. Once you do that, you are all set. Just go ahead and place your order, and that's it. So that's basically how you can add McDonald's gift card to app. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.